Hello, fellow travelers. This week, we're embarking on an extraordinary adventure to Turkey, a country that serves as a bridge between East and West. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes, Turkey offers something for everyone. Let's dive into our 7-day exploration. We begin our journey in Istanbul, the heart of Turkey and a city that straddles two continents. As we land at Istanbul Airport, the mix of ancient history and modern energy is palpable. Our first stop is the Hagia Sophia, a stunning architectural marvel that has served as a church, mosque, and now a museum. The grandeur of its domes and the intricate mosaics are breathtaking. Next, we visit the Blue Mosque, known for its striking blue tiles and elegant minarets. The serene atmosphere and beautiful Islamic art make it a memorable experience. For lunch, we head to a traditional restaurant to try kebabs and baklava. The flavors are rich and unforgettable. In the evening, we stroll through the bustling Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest markets in the world. The vibrant stalls filled with spices, textiles, and jewelry offer a sensory overload. Our day ends with a view of the Bosphorus Strait as the city lights shimmer on the water. On our second day, we embark on a Bosphorus cruise, a must-do activity in Istanbul. As the boat glides along the strait, we see palaces, fortresses, and charming wooden houses lining the shores. The contrast between Europe and Asia is striking, and the fresh sea breeze is invigorating. We disembark at the Dolmabahce Palace, a symbol of Ottoman splendor. The crystal chandeliers, lavish decor, and sprawling gardens are a testament to its royal heritage. The guided tour gives us a glimpse into the lives of sultans. For lunch, we enjoy a seafood feast at a waterfront restaurant. Grilled fish and mezes, small plates of appetizers, are the perfect way to experience Turkish cuisine. In the afternoon, we visit the Topkapi Palace, another iconic Ottoman landmark. Its courtyards, treasury, and harem offer fascinating insights into the empire's history. We end the day with a cup of Turkish tea, served in traditional tulip-shaped glasses, while watching the sunset over the city. On day 3, we fly to Cappadocia, a region known for its surreal landscapes and ancient cave dwellings. Our adventure begins with a hot air balloon ride at sunrise. Floating above the fairy chimneys, valleys, and vineyards is a magical experience. The view of the sun casting golden light over the rugged terrain is unforgettable. After landing, we explore the Gorim Open Air Museum, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The rock-cut churches adorned with frescoes tell stories of early Christian communities. The artistry and history are awe-inspiring. For lunch, we enjoy pottery kebabs, a local specialty cooked in clay pots. The tender meat and flavorful spices are a culinary delight. In the afternoon, we visit an underground city, such as Derinkuyu or Pamukkale. These ancient settlements, carved into the earth, served as refuges during times of invasion. Walking through the narrow tunnels and chambers feels like stepping back in time. Our journey takes us to Pamukkale, famous for its white travertine terraces and thermal springs. As we walk barefoot along the terraces, the warm, mineral-rich water soothes our feet. The cascading pools, glistening in the sunlight, create a surreal and serene atmosphere. Nearby, we explore the ancient city of Hierapolis. This Greco-Roman site features a well-preserved theater, a necropolis, and the Temple of Apollo. The ruins, set against the backdrop of the travertines, are a photographer's dream. For lunch, we savor freshly grilled trout at a nearby restaurant, accompanied by locally grown vegetables. The simple yet flavorful meal perfectly complements the natural beauty of the area. In the evening, we relax in one of the thermal baths. The warm, mineral-rich waters are believed to have healing properties, making it a rejuvenating end to the day. On the fifth day, we head to Ephesus, one of the best-preserved ancient cities in the world. Walking along the marble streets, we marvel at landmarks like the Library of Celsus, the Grand Theater, and the Temple of Artemis. The city's history as a hub of commerce and culture comes alive with each step. For lunch, we enjoy a traditional Turkish meal in the nearby village of Sirens. This charming village is known for its fruit wines, which we sample while taking in the views of olive groves and vineyards. In the afternoon, we visit the House of the Virgin Mary, a serene pilgrimage site believed to be her final home. The peaceful atmosphere and beautiful surroundings make it a spiritual experience. The day ends with a stroll along the Aegean coast. The gentle waves and golden sands create a tranquil setting as the sun dips below the horizon. Next, we travel to Antalya, a city on the Turquoise Coast known for its stunning beaches and ancient ruins. Our first stop is the old town, Cappadocia, with its narrow streets, historic houses, and charming harbor. The blend of Ottoman and Roman architecture adds to its allure. We then visit the ancient city of Perge, where the well-preserved stadium, baths, and columns transport us to the Roman era. The history and grandeur of the site are captivating. For lunch, we dine at a seaside restaurant, enjoying grilled seafood and refreshing lemonade. The view of the turquoise waters is mesmerizing. In the afternoon, we relax on Konyaaltı Beach. The crystal-clear waters and stunning mountain backdrop create a perfect setting for unwinding. The day concludes with a traditional Turkish coffee, rich and aromatic, served with Turkish delight. Our final day takes us to Mount Nemrut, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in southeastern Turkey. The mountain is famous for its giant statues of gods and kings, built by King Antiochus I. Watching the sunrise from the summit, with the statues silhouetted against the golden sky, is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. After descending, we visit the nearby Caracas Tumulus and the Sendra Bridge, remnants of ancient civilizations. The blend of natural beauty and historical significance makes this area unique. For lunch, we enjoy a feast of kebabs, lentil soup, and fresh bread in a local village. The warm hospitality of the locals adds a special touch to the meal. As our journey comes to an end, we reflect on the incredible diversity of Turkey, from its bustling cities and ancient ruins to its breathtaking landscapes. This trip has been an unforgettable adventure, and we leave with a deep appreciation for Turkey's rich culture and history. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, happy travels!